Patience is a key element of success. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do, so you are insulting yourself. Life is not fair. Get used to it. To win big, you sometimes have to take big risks. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Only through focus can you do world-class things, no matter how capable you are. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to hit the lesson of failure. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. If you think your teacher is tough, wait till you get a boss. People can't become truly knowledgeable without being excellent readers. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. I work hard because I love my work. Investing in tomorrow's technology today is more critical than ever. Automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. Customers want high quality at low prices, and they want it now. The most meaningful way to differentiate your company from your competition is to do an outstanding job with information. We are changing the world with technology. Legacy is a stupid thing. I don't want a legacy.